We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a new fried green tomato recipe, y'all, that I wanted to share. And here are our ingredients. In this bowl, I have sliced my green tomatoes, and now let's get to seasoning them. Here I am seasoning them with some seasoned salt, black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some buttermilk. Okay, we're going to mix this in, all our ingredients into our tomatoes to make sure each one is covered with the seasoning and the buttermilk. While our oil is heating up, I am showing you our regular yellow cornmeal that I'm using for our breading. Okay, our oil is ready. Now I am breading our tomatoes into the yellow cornmeal, and we're going to cook these on a pretty high heat, 350 to 400. I am using my electric skillet, but if you're using a regular skillet, cook these on a medium high heat. We don't want to cook these too fast because they will brown quickly. I have my electric skillet set on 400 and it's frying perfectly. Time to time, go and check to make sure they're not sticking together and not cooking too fast. After about 2.5 minutes, go and check to see if they are browning, and if they are, it's time to flip them over. If you like yours fried hard, cook them for a little bit longer. I like mine fried not too soft and not too hard. It's like in between, but make this recipe yours. This is how I know that they are ready. They will begin to float, as you can see. And now I'm removing them and placing them on a paper towel, or you can place them on a wire rack. I purchased these green tomatoes at a local farmer's market, and the lady gave me an idea. She said she used to have a restaurant, and she seasoned hers with the regular seasonings, and she used buttermilk. So I decided to use the buttermilk on today. So we are giving the buttermilk recipe a try, y'all. I have my own way of making fried green tomatoes, but I decided to try something new on today. And I'm going to share with y'all what I think about this new recipe, okay? Okay, we're going to finish frying up this next batch, and then we're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are finished frying up our fried green tomatoes. So now we are plating them up, and then I'm going to taste them and let y'all know what I think about this recipe. Okay, I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, I am back, y'all. These fried green tomatoes were so delicious. Y'all, they was just the seasoning in them, the buttermilk. It gave it a zesty taste, and they was really good. If you don't want the buttermilk, I also have my own way of making them. Just type in MsBrendaDee fried green tomatoes, and you will see my other recipes that I have uploaded. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with MsBrendaDee. So welcome from MsBrendaDee and our family.
That's a hit!